Welcome to my channel. Today we will look at what wealthy people know that the poor and middle class don't know. Hey, if you like business, entrepreneurship, money and success, then you are at the right place. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of our videos. Let's get started. The most important thing that wealthy people know, that non-wealthy people generally don't, is other wealthy people. There is the obvious benefit of having wealthy, successful, well-connected people in your network because the world really does work on connections, even small ones, affording professional introductions, references, and a pool of candidates for marriage, business partnerships, potential investors in new ventures. There is also the element of access that comes with wealthy people knowing other wealthy people. Invitations to events, parties, even weddings of other wealthy people are of immense value and help perpetuate the cycle of the rich getting richer. These connections and relationships can lead to access to exclusive business, professional services, investment opportunities, and even ways to improve one's health that are not available to most people. Most of the answers to this question perpetuate the myth that there are some secrets to wealth and, essentially, gaming the system. As appealing as that all sounds, the world is a lot simpler and cruder than most middle class people would like to believe. The wealthy know the importance of going to the right schools for the right networking opportunities and marrying for money, power, access, even donating to charity in ways that help status, access and creates even more opportunities. This is how the world goes round. It's not a secret, it's not good or bad. It's just common sense. If you're not wealthy and you want to be wealthy, not that you have to want that, the best thing you can do is everything possible to be around wealthy people. Go to elite schools if you can. Get involved in trendy charitable causes. Get into exclusive sports and hobbies. Only date successful people, not as a gold digger but because partnering with a successful person is the best way to maximize your own success and your success together as a partnership. By being around wealthy people, you will learn things about wealth and money, of course, but most importantly, you will gain the simple personal connections that lead to knowledge, opportunities, and access that they have. Most wealthy people are very lucky, myself included, even coming from a very poor background, in addition to whatever talents or drive they have. Sometimes people are very talented and very driven but were simply dealt a tough hand in life or born in the wrong place at the wrong time. Also, humans just go with the flow. Generally speaking, the best thing you can do for yourself and your family is put yourself in a situation where going with the flow leads to good things. If you surround yourself by hardworking, intellectually curious, maybe even wealthy people, you will probably be the same, because it will feel normal. If you're surrounded by desperation, struggle, or even just mediocrity, chances are you'll get caught up in the same. Many middle-class folks spend countless hours researching smartphones or flat-screen TVs or other consumer purchases because everyone around them does, while having no clue what their retirement, investment accounts are doing, if they exist, avoiding the harsh math behind the true cost of interest to finance consumer purchases or the advantages of refinancing a mortgage or other good debt when the opportunity arises. I know countless good, hardworking people who could tell you every difference between the new iPhone and the last one, with an encyclopedic knowledge of sports statistics, but who couldn't tell you what the difference between a stock and a bond is, let alone what inflation is. Going back to my premise, wealthy people who are around, connected to other wealthy people, learn the importance of these things from casual conversations and anecdotes about mutual connections. You learn both from other people's successes and their failures.